Here's evidence that there's nothing wrong with the 10,000 mile oil change. We've owned this car since it had 40,000 miles on it. And immediately when we got it, started changing the oil between 10, 12,000 miles, always running AMSOIL or Mobil 1 synthetic with an extended life oil filter. There's damn near no wear on the valve train. It looks brand new still. And it has 175,000 miles on it. It's a Toyota, but it has 175,000 miles on it. And look, it looks all damn brand new. There's no wear even on the timing chain guides. Timing chain is still brand new. Look at it, it's clean.